Folder templates is a feature of Basil that allows you to quickly and easily create a predefined structure of folders and subfolders for a new project or fiscal year, and deploy these empty folders to as many clients as needed. To create folder templates, first navigate to the Files tab and select the Folder Templates subtab. Click on the Create New Template button at the top right of the page. Next, you'll need to rename the new template and determine if these folders will be located in the client's external folder or the internal folder. This cannot be changed once set. Then you can start building out your folder structure as you'd like it to appear. When naming your folders, Basil gives you the option to use a wildcard string in the folder names. Wildcards are dynamic text that will automatically change the displayed information based on when you apply the template and to which client. The wildcard options currently available are year, month, and client. You can add the specific wildcard to the folder name by clicking on the associated button at the wildcard options near the top. In this example, we're creating a folder with the year wildcard for the tax year folder that can be dynamically applied at the start of each tax season. When you're done naming your folder, click the Save icon to the right to confirm it. Once the folder name has been confirmed, you can then create another new folder on the same level as the first folder by typing in the Enter New Folder Name box below. You may also choose to edit the first folder by clicking on the pencil symbol, or remove the first folder by clicking on the trash can symbol across from its name. You can also create subfolders for each folder you have already created by clicking on the plus symbol across from the folder in question. You can then repeat the same process as mentioned until the folders and subfolders are in a structure that meets your needs. Once the folders appear to your liking, you can click on the Save Template option in the bottom right to save the folder structure for use. Once a folder template has been successfully created, it will appear in the list of available templates on the Folder Template screen as either an external or internal folder template. In this screen, you will have the options to save templates in the Actions column for each template, such as Apply, Edit, Copy, or Delete. To apply a folder template, find the template you wish to apply in the list of saved templates and select the Apply button. This will open the Apply Template window for you. On the left side, you will see the folder structure of the template as it will be applied. Wildcard fields such as year will be auto-filled in once the template is applied. On the right-hand side, you will see your full list of clients. You will want to determine which clients will need this template. Once you know this, you can click on the client's name to expand the client and see their list of workspaces. Checkboxes will appear to the right of the expanded client. If you need to search for a specific client, you can use the magnifying glass icon to the right of the screen to search for clients. Once all of the required clients have been selected, you can click on the Apply button in the bottom right to apply this template and be taken back to the previous screen. After you have applied this template, you will get a confirmation message in the lower right-hand corner of the screen stating the template has been applied successfully. You can now go into any of the client's folders that were part of this application and start working with the newly created folders.